This morning, things are still unfolding at that assisted living facility in Fort Lauderdale. 2 people there recently died, and at least 1 death is linked to coronavirus. CBS 4 spoke with that man's family, and our Jessica Vallejo is live from Fort Lauderdale with what they're saying. Jessica.
Well, the family of that man who died from the coronavirus at this Broward assisted living facility is grieving, and today they have a special message for the community. Take a listen. Florida health officials say Richard Cullen died from coronavirus. He and his wife lived at Atria Willowwood in Fort Lauderdale. His family says Cullen had diabetes and COPD, and he had suffered a heart attack years earlier. He became sick about 10 days ago, then died. We spoke with his wife and daughter over FaceTime.
Got that respiratory thing, and then it landed him in the hospital. But I didn't think it was going to turn into anything that I couldn't treat.
His daughter said Cullen cared for his wheelchair-bound wife, lifting her and bathing her.
I feel that the state is sort of painting this picture of like the sickly old man who coronavirus struck him and killed him, and somehow the rest of us are safe because we're not sickly and old, which is completely false.
His son is devastated.
We were very shocked. It's terrible. We thought that he would be around for a while, and not being able to say goodbye is, of course, something that I'll always regret.
Cullen's wife and daughter are quarantined, but they feel fine.
Nothing.
Fine, nothing, yeah.
I have no symptoms. I don't even have a runny nose.
Dr. Eileen Marty is an infectious disease doctor and a professor at Florida International University. She told us over FaceTime that Florida's lieutenant governor asked her and her team to visit the Atria facility on Wednesday.
We're going to reevaluate how they're treating patients, I'll give them some medical guidance. I'll be training their individuals on reducing risk. Every single person there and the staff is going to have to be tested for COVID to see if any of those are asymptomatic carriers, and isolate those who are positive and proceed on with isolating any contacts of those individuals who may be positive.
The family of Richard Cullen is grieving their sudden loss, and they hope everyone is listening to their warning.
I want everyone to take it seriously. I mean, don't freak out, don't overreact, but you need to stop gathering.
And city officials say 2 other patients from Broward assisted living community also died recently. The tests are still pending, but city officials believe it could be to the coronavirus. Here for Lauderdale, Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 this morning.